Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. Did you stockpile lots of these COVID testing kits? You might want to check the expiry date on them. They all have an expiry date, and a lot of them are coming due for expiry a couple months ago, now. So if you want, you can save yourself some storage space by tossing your COVID testing kits. It's time. But what you can do to be a little bit more environmentally friendly is you can take the components out and you can separate the plastics from the paper. So plastics can't be recycled. So that's the plastic, but all of this part is paper, and that can go into your blue box. So you can be a little bit more environmentally friendly by tossing your kits, but putting this in the blue box and just throwing out this, it's less. If you need help organizing any of the storage areas in your home, maybe we'll even find your COVID tests, please give me a call. Catherine from Organized by Catherine.